Meaning of ligger.
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 Ligger. The word ligger has several meanings. It can refer to a horizontal timber of a scaffolding, a ledger, a simply supported plank over a stream used as a footbridge, a nether millstone, a coverlet for a bed. Slang, a freeloader or hanger-on, especially in the music or entertainment industry. The word ligger is derived from the Middle English word liggera, which means to lie. The word ligger is pronounced as /l, r, /. In British English, the word ligger is also used as a slang term for a person who always takes the opportunity to go to a free party or event that is arranged by a company to advertise its products.